Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can easily set up sidebar in our theme TS Shop Mania. As you can see, I have already installed and activated TS Shop Mania in my dashboard. Okay, first I will tell you how you can set up sidebar in our home page. For this, go to Pages. As you can see, I have already created pages. Click on Edit. This is my home page, which I have created using Elementor plugin. This is the template. As you can see, these are the templates given. To show sidebar in your home page, please select default template. Now scroll down. These are the sidebar alignment: right sidebar, no sidebar and left sidebar. I am selecting right sidebar. Now click on update. Now navigate to widgets. Here you can set your sidebar elements. As you can see, this is the primary sidebar. You can display primary sidebar in your home page. As you can see, I have already added some sidebar elements. Just drag and drop any desired element from here, like this. Once you add your sidebar elements, now go to your website. As you can see, this is the sidebar. Okay. Now I will tell you how you can set up sidebar in your shop pages. Navigate to your dashboard, pages. Click on Edit. I have already created my shop page. Okay. In shop page, under dynamic sidebar, you will see sidebar options: right sidebar, no sidebar and left sidebar. I am selecting left sidebar. Update it. Again, navigate to your dashboard. Under appearance, widgets. This is the WooCommerce page sidebar. Here you can add desired element, also drag and drop them and interchange their positions. I have already added elements. Now go to your page, shop page. This is the sidebar in your shop page. Okay. Again, navigate to your dashboard. Same as shop page, you can create single product page sidebar by just drag and drop the elements like this. This will display on your single product page. Now I will show you the customized panel settings, which is given for the sidebar. Go to your customized panel. Click on layout, sidebar. This is the sidebar setting, sticky sidebar. Enable it. It will stick your sidebar on your website like this. In WooCommerce settings, you can also disable sidebar in your single product page by just checking this box. I hope this video tutorial will help you in setting up the sidebar in our theme TS Shop Mania. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.